Hey guys, welcome back to Panda Trades. I know I haven't posted in a few days. I'm trying to get better and post more and more, guys, to give you some updates for the market, so you know what to expect. Um, and let's talk about the market and what happened here. We had the CPI numbers that came out. It was expected zero point 0.6, came out zero point 0.4. The market really rallied to the upside. It just kept going and going and going. Um, so CPI numbers came good. The PPI number came good today as well. So it looks like we're going in a good direction. I might say that, but historically speaking, every year around this time, even in the bear market, we rally to the upside. Um, it just historically that's what happens all the time. So um, see November, October, November, December 2021. We also rallied to the upside. Same right here. Um, it's basically every year. November rally, December small decline, all the way up. Still an uptrend here. Um, uptrend, um, uptrend, uptrend. So historically speaking, between September, October to December, we always rally to the upside. So I know people think we got the bottom. We might. I'm not saying we don't, but I don't think it really is. So if you look at that way, guys, if you see here, we got all the way to the bottom here on the 13. We got all the way to, was it this candle? The low this candle is 348. Again, this is the SPY, the ETF, the S&P 500. We got all the way to 340.48. And this is the daily chart now. And then basically after we finish that formation, right? That bearish formation, it looks like we're gonna rally to the upside. So we got this uptrend going up now, right? If you look at that way, you see we have this one here, and then we have a higher low, right? Higher highs, which indicates an uptrend. See, we keep going up. We keep having higher lows and higher highs, which show us that we're gonna go to the upside and keep rally to the upside. But again, really, guys, if you look at historically, and you can see that we rally towards the end of the year, even in bear markets. But if you look at the big picture, let's zoom out a little bit. Not even that much, you know. We got all the way here. There was COVID. It was 221. Then from COVID, all the way up, uptrend to almost, what was that, 500, 490 or something like that. Um, like 480. You know, we got double the one it was in 1 year, and it was great. And then we got into the bear market. We knew we were gonna get into the bear market. We had a lot of speculative and stuff that we knew it was gonna happen in the bear market after a lot of stuff we did, the economy wise, giving money away and print money. We knew it's just a matter of time. So we got all the way to 480, and then again, it looks like, if you look at it that way, right? It looks like we're gonna keep going higher. Historically speaking, that's what happens. Reports came out good. We got to see what the Fed's gonna keep doing. But if you look at that from be a zoom out perspective, right? What we see here when we zoom out, see that? Still indicates a downtrend. So, guys, for me, and what the market gave me, yeah, he gave me another leg up, that's for sure. But I'm gonna be very careful from here forward, probably. Maybe December, we get a red candle, we're gonna keep rally. But again, if you look at that way, we got in April, we got a lower high, and we got another lower high, and August, another lower high, touches the 200 moving average, and keep going down, and then that's what we have. There's rally that we talk about. It's only been like a month, which is not very long. But again, are we gonna break that 200 moving average and trend line above 410? I mean, 410. I see the trend line here. Make more clear for you guys. So the trend line here is going to be about 410, and also the moving average is about 410, 48 area, the 200 moving average, and we're way extended on the Bollinger Bands and way extended on the stochastic. We're going to see what I'm going to watch for, and again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but what I would say, if you guys can watch, again, a break or a rejection on the 200 moving average on the daily chart, the same with the trend line, because again, we have lower highs, lower highs. So if you can break the trend line and retest, maybe break and retest the trend line and keep going higher, or we're gonna reject and just gonna keep falling down. That's two scenarios that I'm gonna see happening. We have a really, really strong resistance. Oh, it's even here. It was a long time ago, but this is a strong resistance, as you can see, around the 410 area, right here. So this area right here. See, this is 410. We have the moving average, 200 moving average, when a lot of institutions trade with this 200 moving average. And we have a trend line, and we also have a strong supply zone. So I'm going to be watching this 410 basically break or retest, or rejection, which most likely I think we're going to get up here and then reject back, and we're going to have a massive red day. I don't know if this year or maybe next year, but we might break and then keep falling down. Really hard to say. We have good numbers, some of them good earnings as well. Let's look. This is as far as the SPY. So I would watch the 410 for a rejection. That's what I would do for now. Let's take a look at the volatility on the market, the VIX. So when the VIX goes up, the stocks goes down, and when the VIX go down, the stocks goes up. Okay, the market, the SPY, the Qs, the overall market. So usually when you get about 35, it pull back, and usually when you get around 20, that's almost always around 20, 15, 20. Well, 15 is really over sold type of thing. But to get around 20, it's what the market is basically going to reverse. We have as I see, strong demand zone always around the 20. If you look at the VIX here, strong demand zone here. So if you look at here, I do think that we can keep going lower, and the VIX, the volatility, and we can maybe get up down all the way to the 20s, 15, 18, even 18 and 19 to the 20 area, before we're gonna keep going higher. If that happens and the VIX is gonna go down here, meaning the stocks keep going higher and the market we're finna get going higher, then the market might get to 410 and then reject. So this one can get up here 1920. That's what I really believe is gonna happen. Again, um, really hard to know. It's what the market gives you, you take. So if I'll get up down here and you go and get to 1820 and then rip up, then when the market is gonna drop. But this just a scenario that might happen. We don't know. But that's it as far as the market. Just watch the 410, see what happened at 410. This is important. Okay, so just a short recap of what we had today going on. We had a few trades, not very many actually. We had Netflix, which guys, the day was ranging, and we got the breakdown here. With Netflix, it was around 130, I think. Yeah, 120. That was the breakdown here. It really like from we got at 309 or something. It got all the way down to 303 because as longer if the market is ranging and ranging, the breakout or the breakdown going to be stronger. So as the longer the period of time this accumulate, it's the stronger the breakout going to be. Same distribution or accumulation. It's the same for each side of it. So we got Netflix for here and Tesla. We got Tesla rejection, which we expected the rejection to happen. I did get Tesla long actually around here, and caught that move. I think I took 198 and 199. Yeah, most of it took it right here, and 200. We have a strong rejection at 200s. So we rejected it once, then we rejected it twice. Then we tried to break again, and then we broke under the VWAP. We got under the 90 MA, and then the third time, beginner traders, what they're gonna do? They're gonna think, oh, okay, it's a breakout. But we tried it once, right? We tried twice, right? Buyers tried twice, so it's a double top already. Now we got it three times, but it's not really tight, right, guys? As you can see, we have three green candles, and we got a really strong resistance at 200 because 200 is a whole number and a strong whole number that most institutions going to trade with. So we got immediately rejected. From the 200 all the way to the VWAP from 198. Really, no much action as far as today on Tesla. When 194 to 100, it's 6 points kind of move. We have an ATR of 10. ATR, the ATR that I choose, it's 10. This is the last 10 days of the range that the stock does. Meaning if the stock moved 10, I'm sorry, you said 13, right? So if the stock moved 13 points for 10 consecutive days, that's going to give you the true range of the stock. So this is what usually the stock in 10 days moves, each day in 10 days moves. So 13. Meaning if the stock starts just crazy, let's say it starts at let's say start 187, right? If you start really like one right here, and you wait all the way up here, and then you go for a breakout, it's not going to happen. Why? You use all these ATR, and then it's done. You won't be able to do anything with that because the stock is basically done. I just can show you multiple examples of that happening. I'll try to work on more videos and really show you guys what I trade, and maybe even do live with some charting, show you when I get in, when I get out, live examples as well. So yeah, we took the Tesla, we took the Netflix, we had Home Depot actually, we had the conference earning call right before the market opened. So, which was crazy actually. We got up, we rally up, down, up, down, up. We got in here, around here. So you gotta try to go back from green to red, green to red. Didn't decide which way you want to go, but when you hold the VWAP right here, we got in right here, and we got out around here. So this is basically what we got for today. Again, yeah, pretty rangy day, and was a lot of patience today. I didn't trade right at the open. I waited, I think, like 15 or 20 minutes to see the direction that the market gonna give us. That's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our videos. I'm trying to make more and more videos, and try to maybe do some educational videos as well, so you guys can learn from it, which is, I think, will be great. So I'll work on those videos. It's just a matter of time. Gotta find the right time to do that. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye bye.